Do you've ever wanted to build your own app and the fear of coding had pushed you to not act on it? Well, the good news is that we have Html2Apk Compiler to compile your website, HTML page and games into beautiful Android apps with just a single click. No coding required. Let's see, by the time I end up explaining this Html2Apk compiler, we will be able to put out a commercial app on PlayStore. Html2Apk compiler makes things easier than ever to make you enter the mobile app market, no coding knowledge or experience required. Whether it's for your business, blog, product, service, or just something totally random, Html2Apk compiler provided plentiful options and easy means to use to port their websites, weblink, HTML games, server-hosted pages, e-commerce web stores, services or web application to Android and publish them on Play Store in a matter of seconds. That's not it. With Html2Apk compiler you can turn your games into Android app. In game dev market we have lots of easy to develop game engines with HTML export, but developers often face difficulties to port their games on app market. Now, whether that games are made on Construct 3 Phaser, GameMaker Studio, RPG Maker, Godot, Visual Novel Maker, App GameKit, CopperCube 6, Cocos 2D etc., you can compile those HTML games into a commercial app in few seconds. Html2Apk compiler help monetize your app with Admob, brand it with custom splash screen and engage more users into daily activities with push notifications. Just like I did right now. Right in front of you I've compiled my web app into a commercial Android app. Outcome is a to-do app for people like me to store and track their list of tasks. Other commercial grade apps we have developed so far as follows: Rabid Run. Rabid Run is a nail-biting runner game, made in Three.js and commercialized with exhilarating arcade gameplay. Another is a timing-based archer game made using Construct 2. Here you sharpen your archery skills with your fellow cube beings. With help of Html2Apk compiler, this APK is of only 1.5 megabytes. Links are given in description, try it now. Lastly, we have a machine learning app. It's a COVID-19 detection app from chest x-rays of COVID-infected patients. Essentially, we have developed artificial intelligence over TensorFlow.js to classify haziness of chest x-ray of patient into corona-induced pneumonia or not. This project is developed for government, and with it we have gained several accolades, media publications, TV interviews. Now, when you are thinking up a brilliant idea, don't let it pass you by. Next time I will show you how to convert this 1 GB game made on HTML5 canvas to a fun commercial app.